I brought Ruby and Zeevee to the local dog park. Come here, baby. To play. There are no other dogs, thank goodness, because they're a little crazy. Go play. Go play. Go play. Ready? Zeevee. Zeevee. Look. You go play. Go play. Go play. They're not playing. They're just peeing everywhere. Come on. Come on. Run. Run, babies. Run, babies. Go play. Come on. Zeevee. Ruby, come on. Look at this. Come here, Ruby. We always wanted to try you with this. Come on. Zeevee. No, you go up on it. Come on. Ruby, come on. Ruby. No, they're just wandering. But there are tunnels. I want to try to get Ziva through the tunnel. Oh no, Rubes. Now I got to pick it up. Now I got to go get a baggie. Nobody wants to see that. Zeevee, come on. Come on, Zeevee. Come with Mommy. Oh, there are bumblebees at the tunnel. Ruby. Ruby, come here. Ruby, come here. Look at the tunnel. You go into the tunnel? Go in. Go in. Go on. Go through the tunnel, baby. Ruby. Zeevee. Zeevee. Come here, Zeevee. Ruby. I don't think you have any more pee in you, baby. You gonna go up? There goes Zeevee, Queen of the Hill. Queen of the Hill with all her snot. Poor baby. And all of her allergies. Go on, Ruby. You gonna go through the tunnel? You gonna go? Go on, baby. Go through. You got Zeevee's Queen of the Hill. Oh my God, what is that, drool? What is that drool, Zeeve? Ruby! Ruby, come here to Mommy. Come on, Ruby. Ruby. Hey, Rubes. Ruby, come through the tunnel to Mommy. Come on. Come on, baby. Here's a good girl. Come on. There she comes. There she comes. That's my good girl. He's my good girl. There we go. There's a good girls. Are you gonna go in the water, Zeevee? You gonna go in the water? Ruby loves water. You go in the water? You gonna go in? Oh, is Ruby gonna go in? There she goes. Ruby used to love to go in the pool we had for Buggy when she was little. Oh, it's good I have a towel in the car. Did you go in the water, Ruby? Did you go in the water? Oh, is that your water? Yeah, you're just gonna drink it, aren't you? Did you go into water? Trying to find a better way to get in. What are you doing? Are you gonna go swimming? I've never seen her swim. We haven't had deep enough water. I've never seen her swim. I don't know. She loves it though. It's a bit humid out. What are you doing, baby? You gonna go swim? What are you trying to catch? What are you trying to catch, sweetie? Stevie gonna go in the water? I don't know if Steve likes water. We had a sprinkler once, she hated it. Might have just been the spraying water. Stevie, you need some water. Why don't you get a drink, baby? Ooh, Ruby found a running water. What are you doing, Stevie? Stevie, you want to play with the frisbee? Stevie, you don't have to pee everywhere they've peed. Here, baby, you need some water, honey. You're foaming. Come here. Come here, babe. Oh, they're playing. They're playing. Stevie. Stevie, you want to play? Where you going, Roops? What are you doing, my loves? Let me go get a baggie.